everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a full-faced first impressions of Drugstore makeup. So it's a full face besides eyeshadow and powder, but that don't matter because I found some things I loved and there's a couple of things I absolutely despised of. You should never buy them. So watch till the end to find out what, and if you want to get this look. I'm loving it, okay? So just carry on watching and yeah, hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, so ignore what I'm wearing, but first of all, obviously, we're going to start with eyebrows. Also, ignore my really ugly face. For my primer, I have to try out the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And it's quite hard to break up. Really, really bad. Right, let's put it in. Oh, it's very tacky. Whoa. I think that's the tackiest primer I've ever used. It is so tacky. I can already tell this is going to be holding my foundation on like glue. Oh, it's not as tacky anymore. But that one was really nice. It didn't blend in like with my hands as easy as some other primers, but you know what? All primers are different. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Collection Instant Brow Pomade in Brunette. I don't even know if this is my shade, but I'm brunette, so I'm using the Morphe M165 brush. This pot is so small. It's like it's so cheap because you've been needing to buy one of these like once every week. Nothing, I don't feel like anything's gone on my brush. Is it? If I lick it, will that help? God, nothing is coming on this brush. Nothing is on my brush. Like, look at that. Can you see that? What the hell is this? Oh God, no, these eyebrows. Well, this is... I've just dug my brush in it so much. Nothing is going on the brush, so you can see how shit my eyebrows look. It's making it separate. This is the weirdest brow product I've ever used. No, I cannot. Like, can you see the problem I'm having here? They're red. My eyebrows are literally red. This is not going well. Maybe I have to try a different brush. Maybe that'll help. Maybe if I try my Zoeva Brow Line 322 Rose Gold brush, maybe that'll help. Right, I can see some's on the brush. What the hell? This is just so... I'm literally digging my brush in it because nothing is coming off. Right, maybe this will help. Right, you know what? I'm just going to have to do my brows off camera because this is not working. I don't know if you can see or not. It's not working. I'm really, really sorry. I could not use that Collection pomade. It would not work. I think it's the worst thing I've ever used on my eyebrows ever. But now I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Right, because I do my eyeshadow next and I haven't got an eyeshadow test out. I'm still going to be using a Drugstore one. But I'm going to do it off camera, included in the first impressions. And also this video will be way too long if I included that. But I'm going to be back on because I need to show you a eyeliner and... yeah, and everything else is first impressions. So lucky I remembered. So I'm like halfway through my eye makeup and I remembered I have a new eye primer to try out. This is the Barry M Glitter Fixer Gel, and to apply, I've done all my mattes and just need to put a shimmer on. And then to apply my shimmer, to apply the flipping thingamabob, I'm going to be using the 226 Smudger brush from Zoeva. Like that. Ah! Okay, and then I'm going to put it on my brush, just like I normally do. And then... oh my God, it smells like it's not safe for your eye. Hang on, is this even safe for your eye? Let's hope so, because it feels like it's not meant to be on your eye. And if I just put the shimmer straight on, I don't know, I'm a bit scared now. Because I swear it's not even for your eye. Well, let's just hope it is. And now I'm going to be applying the shimmer with the Spectrum A16. Oh God, let's wait. Do I wait for it to dry or? No, I'm just going to apply. Oh God, I think I should have waited. Yeah, I've got to wait a bit. Shall I wait a bit? I'll come back when it's a bit dry. Right, I think it's a bit more dry now, so take 2 on that. I think this is made for like pure glitter because these are just shimmer shades. Oh wait, no, that's better. This just isn't going well. No, it's just not working for me. I'm going to go do that on the other and be right back. Now I'm using the Soap & Glory Super Cat Skinny Liner. It's got a really skinny fine line and it's the black one. Hang on, let me just wipe the back of my hand off. Actually no, it looks like a nice fine line. Hang on, whilst I'm doing it. I like it so far. It's going on very easily. Oh my god, I'm fully in love with this eyeliner. Wow. That's created the most, like, full wing ever. Hello. Oh my god, this is like, yes. Don't know if I've said a million times, but that is the best eyeliner I've ever used. I am in love. Right, I'm so excited to do this. Okay, so I've got for the foundation I'm trying out, it's the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Stay Fresh Foundation, and I'm so excited. So I've wet my beauty blender, just a Real Techniques one, and I don't know how much to use of this. I'm just going to use the same amount as I usually do, maybe a bit less. Okay, right, you ready? Oh yeah, I've got the shade, hang on, the shade, does it even say? Oh, 120 Vanilla. Okay. Maybe I should do 4 pumps for now. Yeah, and that's how much is in my hand. I'm so excited. I love trying out new foundations. I have so many, it's ridiculous. Alright, ready? It looks really yellow. It looks really dark actually. But if I like it, at least I know I can just buy a different shade. Best foundation ever. Alright, let's blend. Oh, by the way, I do one section at a time. I don't know what my first impression is on it, really. It's very yellow and I have quite pink toned skin, so keep that in mind. It's blending really lovely. I put quite a lot on that cheek actually, because I have spots we need to cover. I don't know how I'm feeling really about it. I feel like I just look bronzed because it's too dark. I should have definitely got porcelain. And what if it, oh my god, but I really like it, you know. Okay, right, now we're going to put it on my forehead. Whoa, that's covered a lot of that forehead. You literally don't need hardly any of this foundation. It spreads so easily. I don't know, I think I really like it, but I don't know. This is really difficult. I don't know. Someone help me. I don't know. I'm blending out the lighter it's getting. Alright, let's put some on my neck with the leftover one, because I need to blend this down my neck. You know what? I think I like it. It's one of the foundations that don't look good as you're applying it, but when it's on, it's like, well, that's so far anyway. I really like it, you know. And I think you could put another layer on, but I'm going to leave it like this. It is very matte. It's very good for oily skin, because I have really oily skin. I feel like I'm loving this. It's just making me look like a bit of a Cheeto. Okay, I've come to a conclusion with this foundation. I am in love with it. It's really dark, so I think I'm going to go out and buy the lighter shade. But now I'm going to be using the Bourjois Radiance Reveal Concealer. I've just been down to show my mum the thing. Right, so I'm just going to put this under my eye lacquer. Whoa, that's pale. Oh well. It's really creamy, like really creamy, and it feels very wet. I do one eye at a time in case it dries. You definitely do not need a lot because it's spreading so much. Oh my god, I love this concealer. This concealer. What? Why don't I try out more? This is flawless. At this concealer. Look at my under eye. Are you joking me? I'm sorry, but this is just like, what? This is what? Like, let's see the other eye. I put way too much on. It's so amazing and it's so brightening. I'm so happy. Right. Oh my god. Sorry, but what? What? Oh my god. Right, that is the concealer I'm using for my under eye, but for my blemishes and like spot concealing, I'm going to be using another one. But I'm just going to get it because I forgot, because I can't use that because it's too pale. Okay, so for the other places that is not under eye, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. So, really excited. I love it. It's gone so smoothly and creamy and buttery. Not buttery. You can't say concealer's buttery, can you? Oh, it is a bit too pale for this foundation, but actually we can blend it out and make the foundation lighter anyway. Now this concealer isn't as full coverage as I would want it to be, but it'll do. I'm sorry, but I know I keep saying I'm sorry, like I'm not that sorry. This is on bleak. I think it'll look better if my eyebrows were like a bit normal. Right, I'm really sorry, but I haven't got a powder to test out, but because my room will stay matte powder. I still don't. I feel like I look a bit cakey around here, but that's just because my spots. Like my spots make everything look cakey. I need to get my Dior foundation now. That was the best foundation I've ever used. Okay, right now. Hang on, I should put somewhere. I haven't actually got a proper contour to try, but I've got the Bourjois bronzing powder. It's got Gilts of Sunshine. I don't think it has though. I'm going to use it as contour because why not? I'm going to be using my Zoeva 109 Luxe Face Paint, and I'm just going to be dabbing it in. It's meant to smell like chocolate, but it just smells like laundry detergent. Nice little line, that's great. I don't ever really contour too harshly, but I feel like that's a bit, I don't think it's made for contour, this. Actually, you know what? My cheekbones do look a bit snatched. Oh, if I do say so myself. Yes! Okay, so now I'm doing it the other side. Yeah, I really like this actually. I mean, it's not as good as my ABH one, but that's because that's an actual contour. This is an actual, this is bronzer. I never wear bronzer. I cannot wear bronzer. This is really good for pale skin though. I'm a bit disappointed with my eye makeup I've done today. I feel like it's a bit like simple. Okay, so that's done there, and then now I always without fail contour my nose because I actually have quite a big nose. Not a big nose. Like you can see on camera it looks fine, but when people take pictures of me, for some reason my nose looks so fat. And I don't really know why, like I've never understood why. Because in real life I feel like my nose doesn't even look that big. But, like, Contour, you know? I love this nose contour. I'm sorry, but I found some of my new favourite items in this video. Right, now we're moving on to blush. So for blush I'm using the Bourjois Paris. The blusher in shade Lilac, Golden Lilac 33. It looks like that. It's a shimmery one and I never use, oh it's not that shimmery. It's kind of shimmery and I never use shimmery blush. So this is like a new thing. I'm going to be using the Zoeva Rose Golden Luxe Chic Sheer Brush. I'm going to be dipping it in. I used a bit too much. It smells really nice actually. Oh, that's just because the brush has been washed. I don't really wear too much blush, so, but I have like tons of blushes. I think that's most of what I have. Like, I have a whole drawer just for blush. That's saying something, isn't it? Now highlight, I'm so excited. Who doesn't love highlight? I'm using the MUA Shimmer Highlight Powder in Pearlescent Sheen. I'm so excited, and I'm going to be using my brand new brush as well. So I'm testing out a brush. It's the Spectrum fan brush. It's so cheap. It's only $4.99. You can get it in Boots. That's where I got it from. Hang on. It's the Spectrum A10 brush, and it's a bit of a flimsy fan brush, but who cares? It's like a really pearlescent one. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I don't think this brush is really picking up much, but I'm sure it'll look good when it's on. Okay. I don't know if that's picking up much, so I'm going to use my Morphe one because that always picks up tons. The Morphe G23. Whoa! It just fell out my hand. Okay. Yeah, that's picking up so much more. Okay. What? It's blinding. I don't know if you can see. That's too blinding. That's blue and purpley. Okay, well, I love this. This is amazing. Now also I'm using my mini fan brush, the E40 from Morphe. And I'll put it on there, and then, whoa. Look. Wow. Okay. In a corner highlight, you can't forget in a corner, can you? Right, and I use this for inner corner highlight and brow bone. And Cupid's bow.
This is a bit too blue for me, but it's bloody blinding. Like, look. You can see me from way too far away. Like, I'll be seen by people I don't want to be seen by. It's that blinding.
That is... I am blue. I'm blue. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Like... Okay, so finally... Oh, no, not finally. Yeah, okay. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. I'm really excited to use this. I thought it was double-sided, but it's not, and I'm really sad. But oh well. It's got the weirdest wand I've ever seen in my life, I think. Okay, let's go. Obviously, because I'm wearing liner, it's not going to show up that well. You know what? This is making my eyelashes look so fluttery and nice. Like, it doesn't look that good with the eyeliner though, because eyeliner doesn't show anything. I swear the angle hasn't even been that good the whole video. And last but not least, oh, by the way, I love that mascara. It's so nice. Last but not least, I have a setting spray. It is the Maybelline Super Stay Setting Spray 24-hour makeup looking spray. Okay, let's try this. So I'm going to shake it first. And let's spray it so it don't put white all over my face. Does it work? Oh, it smells dreadful. Alright, you ready? It makes me look refreshed, but it hasn't dried yet, so it could be dry. Oh, I've got a lipstick! Oh, I nearly forgot, like, a really important thing. Lipstick! So whilst I'm waiting for that to dry, oh, I should have sprayed that really last, shouldn't I? Okay. I'm using the L'Oreal Colour Riche Matte 103 Blush in a Rush. Now, this is going to clash with the eye colour, but I don't really care. I've never used this, I've only swatched it. Okay. I love the colour, just not with this lip, not with this eye colour. Okay, I love this makeup. I don't know how I'm feeling about the lip colour though with this eye makeup, but you know what? It don't matter. That is my makeup. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this full-faced drugstore first impression, because I've really enjoyed filming it. I love how most of the things outcomed. I'm going to do a little review of everything. So the collection eyebrow pomade I absolutely hated. I wouldn't recommend it even for the price. I can't imagine this working for anyone, honestly, unless you like... No, I just can't imagine this working for anyone. It is dreadful. The primer, I feel like everything went really nice on top of it. I don't know if it's going to make it last longer, because I don't know if this foundation just does well on its own anyway. But it's good, and I think this is good. I mean, it smells not a bit weird, but that's fine. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Sculpt. The foundation, I didn't like when I first put it on. Also, the colour's not very good. It's a bit orange, but now it matches me a bit more because my concealer is a lot lighter. But it's a really good coverage. I'd say medium to full coverage, and it's so mattifying and good for oily skin. And then I use this concealer under my eyes. This is the best concealer I've ever used, better than my NARS one for under eye. It's so brightening, so full coverage for under the eye, and it just makes you look so much more awake. And then the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, I don't know how it worked under the eyes because I couldn't use it, but on spots it was alright. It didn't cover them as much as I'd like, but it was quite good, and I want to try it under my eyes because it might be better. Soap & Glory Super Cat Skinny Liner I thought was amazing. It did it so flawlessly, a nice sharp wing. And then the blush I used was okay. I mean, I can't really rate a blush because they're just all like, it showed up, it wasn't quite too pigmented, but it wasn't like too less pigmented. It was alright. The bronzer slash contour was okay. I mean, it snatched my cheekbones a little bit, but not too much. But it was okay. And the highlighter was a bit too blue, but it was amazing. Like, I'm going to go out and get all the colours because it's only £3, and I don't know if you can see, but like... Setting spray, I felt like it made me look really good, and it's quite mattifying in a way. The mascara is very good. I love it. It's not too lengthening though, but I don't know what it looks like without... It might look amazing without eyeliner. The lipstick was... I actually really like this colour. I haven't got many colours like this, and I know Mia, my best friend, will love this concealer. I mean, this lipstick. Glitter Fixage. Oh, it is least, actually. No, it's second to my least favourite thing. This is dreadful. It went everywhere. It smells horrible, and I don't really know what it was meant to be doing on my eyelid. Like, it didn't really make the shimmer stick. Like, I don't know if it's just meant for, like, loose glitter, but, I mean, it didn't do very well. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I love you so much. Bye.